big development in the Bollywood drug nexus probe. The NCB is conducting raids currently at actor Arjun Rampal's residence. My colleague Sandhya Gora joins us for more. Sandhya, there have been two very interesting developments in this particular case in the past 2 days. There's been a bit of a lull in the probe in this Bollywood drug nexus case, but I want to start off with a big development today, and that is actor Arjun Rampal's residence has been raided. Tell us more details.
Absolutely, Aarti. And meanwhile, we talk about the raids. Let me show you around. So I am actually outside Arjun Rampal's residence, and this is the building which is raided by Narcotics Control Bureau unit of Mumbai. And this is actually not for the first time that Arjun Rampal's name has surfaced here, Aarti, because before this, his partner's brother was arrested by NCB for not only possessing the drugs but also procuring it and supplying it to other Bollywood celebrities. And this is in the same line of investigation that this raid is being conducted. And as you rightly mentioned, there was a bit of a lull, but now it all started with on Saturday when NCB actually conducted raids at 5 different locations in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. They arrested 4 alleged drug peddlers. And after that, according to NCB, based on the information provided by those arrested accused, on Sunday morning, raids were conducted at Bollywood film producer Feroz Nadiadwala's house as well. And from there, 10 grams of ganja was seized by NCB, and as a result, his wife was arrested by NCB. And at that time, it was yesterday that NCB mentioned that how Feroz Nadiadwala was also summoned, but he did not join the probe, but today he has reached NCB office. Aarti.
Okay, Sandhya, specifically more about Feroz Nadiadwala. That's the second development that has happened. His wife has been arrested. He is, of course, the famous producer behind films like Welcome and Fir Hera Fairy. Take us through the details about that particular probe and what his wife has been arrested for.
So, Aarti, his wife is actually arrested for possession and consumption. Those are the sections. She is booked under several sections of NDPS Act, that is 8C, 27 and 20B. And these sections are of possession and consumption. Apart from that, if we talk about the court proceedings, she and others have been granted judicial custody by a Mumbai court. She was produced in the court today. And talking about Feroz Nadiadwala's case, more on that, Aarti, it was on Sunday morning that his Juhu residence was raided by NCB. And it was at that time that he was untraceable as per NCB. And during those raids, 10 grams of ganja was seized by NCB. As a result, his wife was arrested, and today he has also reached NCB office to join the probe. Aarti.
Okay, Sandhya, thanks so much for that. As we were just discussing, a bit of a lull in that probe, but now over the past 48 hours, a series of developments in the probe in the Bollywood alleged drug nexus. We'll keep a close eye on that.